got Ebola. Fuck. Oh, shit. What is good, YouTube? It is your boy RiseUpWes, and today I'm back again with another YouTube video. I already know today's video gonna be super lit, man. Today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be going around in public, and I'm gonna be, I got a little bottle right here, and I'm gonna be spraying it, acting like I'm sneezing on people, man. So today I'm gonna be giving away the flu, man. I'm gonna be sneezing people's face. We're gonna see their reaction. So make sure y'all watch this whole video, man. What would y'all do if somebody sneezed on y'all? Would y'all fight me? Or would y'all just be like, man, you gotta watch out, or, cover your nose, man? So we're gonna get straight into this banger, man. Make sure y'all like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel, because we almost at 20K, man. And without further ado, man, I'm doing too much talking. Let's get straight into this video. I think I got Ebola. Fuck. Just been sneezing all day. Or, I don't know, I got the flu or something. It's getting crazy. I think I got the flu. Yeah, I'm in front of the end game. Yeah. Alright. Where are you at, dude? I'm in front of Regal Cinemas. Yeah. Alright, I'm at the charging station. I don't know where I'm going right now. Oh, fuck. Oh, my goodness. Oh, fuck. My nose down. Fuck. I can't even smell. Where are you at? I don't see you. I could be on the other side of the shoes. Where is the freaking thing? What one do you want? I don't even know which aisle to go to. What do you want me to look? Wear them tights, girl. You know I want to see them tights, Lane. Oh. Shit. I know I want to see them tights on you. Alright. I'm pulling up on you. Real quick. Come my way. Alright. Alright. Where's the thing you're trying to find? Oh shit. Fuck. I'm sick. I don't know what to do. Yeah. What one do you want? I'm in the aisle. I don't know if I need to go to the other side. I just been sneezing all day. Do you have that Tylenol or no? Oh, fuck. Or no. I need to see if you have the ginger ale. Because I've been looking all day. I haven't seen nothing. Or if there's a yogurt aisle or something. Coffee it is. Cafe or Maxwell. Oh. Oh. Oh, fuck. God, I'm done, bro. I gotta go to the hospital. I'm just so sick. I think I just got Ebola. I think I got... Oh, shit. Where do I go to? All right, bro. Yeah, I'm finna come. Hello? Yeah. Oh, shit. I'm gonna call you back later. I think I got the flu. All right, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If y'all made it this far, I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys for watching the whole video. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications. If y'all want a part 2, give me the 200 likes, and I'm gonna do another sneezing on people prank. It's gonna be a part 2 for y'all, boy. Part 2, y'all heard me? Part 2. I'm gonna be sneezing on people, basically. So make sure y'all give me the 200 likes if y'all enjoyed this video. Enough talking, man. I'll see y'all in the next one. Rise again. We're going to the top, and we ain't gonna stop. Gang.
With my Haitian army, nigga. I get ruthless, I get stupid. Touch my niggas, must be booted. Keep that toolie on the newbie. Run up a check, I'm gonna do it. With my niggas, it's a movie.